how to get $100 DoorDash promo code. So let's get started. The first and easiest way to find a promo code is by searching on Google. So first thing first, open the Google and in the search address bar, just type in keywords like DoorDash promo code or DoorDash discount codes. Google will also show you some phrases. Tap on it and go to the websites. After you type down it, you will see couple of websites which regularly post promo codes for DoorDash, and you can often find codes that offer significant discounts, including up to $100 off for first-time users. Once you have found the reliable coupon site, then simply tap on it, and after you tap on it, simply scroll down and look for the offer you are looking for. After you find the offer according to your preferences, simply tap on it and copy it and head over to your DoorDash app or website, and you can apply the promo code at checkout before placing your order. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.